Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Microsoft Teams. Now this only works with the web version of Outlook. So go to outlook.live.com and sign into your account. From here you're going to see on the top of the page Microsoft Teams already integrated into outlook.live.com. So from here just go ahead and click onto Outlook to Microsoft Teams, and that's going to send you over to teams.live.com. Make sure you sign into your account. Now this all happens because the calendars can sync automatically since they're both part of Microsoft 365. Now from here you can also create events from either app, so any meeting you create in Outlook with your Microsoft 365 account will automatically appear in Teams. So if I go ahead and click on the calendar, I've got two events here, and if I go back to my calendar in Outlook, you'll see they are synced automatically. Now if I go ahead and create a new account, a new event, I'm just going to call this test here, and then I'm going to save. Now if I go over to calendar inside of Teams, refresh the page, it should appear automatically. So go back to calendar. As you can see right there, it's automatically synced.